Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to blend images in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. This is a fantastic technique for creating artistic composite effects and layering visuals in a professional way. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches and you're in your project, look down at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Fusion. This is where all the node-based compositing magic happens, and it's the workspace we'll be using to blend our images together seamlessly. Now that you're in the Fusion workspace, it's time to bring in your images. Drag your two images directly onto the nodes area. This will automatically create media input nodes for each image, which serve as the starting points for your composition. You'll see these nodes appear in your node graph, ready to be connected and manipulated. Next, you'll need to connect these images together. Take the output from media in 1 and connect it to media in 2. When you do this, a merge node will automatically appear. This merge node is the key component that allows you to combine the two images and control how they interact with each other. Once the merge node appears, connect it to media out. This final connection ensures that your blended result will be visible in your output. Now click on the merge node itself to select it. This is where you'll access all the blending controls and options that determine how your two images combine. With the merge node selected, look up to the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is where all the detailed settings and parameters for your selected node are displayed, giving you complete control over the blending process. In the Inspector panel, locate the option labeled Apply Mode. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Color Burn. Color Burn is a blending mode that creates rich, darkened effects by intensifying the colors where the two images overlap, giving your composition a dramatic and artistic look. Finally, you'll want to fine-tune the intensity of the blend. Find the blend slider in the Inspector panel and adjust it to your liking. You can decrease the value to see how the blending effect changes and lightens, or increase it for a more intense result. Play around with the slider until you achieve the exact look you're going for, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.